Once you wanted to create a new product, usually you enter into a product development process, and that is important. Once you enter into this process, you usually wanted to have everything right now. But at the beginning, you use off-the-shelf components that can help to test your idea, to validate all the main functionalities that you wanted to have in the new product, and also to put everything together to show to other person, early adopters, or why not investors. That is important. And then at some point, you wanted to move forward. At that point, in DeepSea Developments, we can help you creating your custom board. That is important because creating your single custom board helps you having better costs, having a better performance, and why not having a better size, a better fit into the components, to having a robust product. So we're ready and open to discuss any question that you can have in how to create your single custom board. Let's talk.